Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your name on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and now you want to change your name, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your Facebook app, open it, and here just go to menu icon. In menu, just scroll down, look for settings and privacy, then settings. In settings, you'll get the search option here, tap on it. Here you have to enter or search for name. Just search for it and you will get this section. Just tap on it and here this type pop-up will appear. You have to tap on your name and cut out it, and after that just tap on set. In this way you can easily change your Facebook name. But if you have changed your name, so you can change your name again until 60 days. So that's how you can easily change your name on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.